Hey, we're at the range today. We're going to do some ammo testing. We're going to see how accurate some different ammunition loads are. We're going to be shooting ZQI 62 grain green tips, Federal 223 55 grain, Federal 5.56 55 grain, and PMC XTAC 62 grain green tips. We're shooting it out of our Palmetto State Armory 1 7 Freedom barrel stainless steel. I'm going to try to keep the barrel at the same temperature or very close to the same temperature for each round of shooting. I'm going to start off by warming the barrel up and running a few rounds through it into the berm, not into the target, just to get the barrel a little warm, and we'll go from there. Barrel temperature now is 46 degrees. Gas block 44 degrees. So let's put a couple rounds through it just to warm her up. Again, not shooting into the target, but shooting into the berm. So let's warm it up a little bit here. Using the Acog set. Here we go into the berm. Alright. See what our temperature is now. 57 degrees on the barrel. 58 degrees on the gas block. First up, ZQI 62 grain green tips. 3, 4, 5. Let's see how we do. All right. Alright, that was the ZQI. Let's check the temperature. .74 degrees on the barrel. .78 degrees on the gas block. So we'll give that a few minutes to cool down so we can have like temperatures. Alright, next round of shooting. Let's check our temps. 59 degrees on the barrel. .67 degrees on the gas block. I think we're pretty damn close. Alright, next up, 5 rounds of Federal 223 55 grain. 3, 4, and 5. All right. I'm trying to keep a similar cadence with the shots. Let's check the temperature on the barrel. 82 degrees. 80 degrees on the gas block. So we'll let that cool down and then we'll shoot the next series. Alright, next series of shooting. Check the temperature on the barrel. 78 degrees on the gas block. We'll give it another few seconds. Temperature right now outside is, let's see, 39 degrees in our present location. So It's a little chilly compared to what it has been. Let's check these temperatures again. 57 degrees on the barrel. 75 degrees on the gas block. That'll work. Next up is the Federal 55 grain 5.56. 5 rounds. 3, 4, 5. Alright, let's see what we come up with here. Five rounds. Check the temperature, the barrel, and the gas block. .68 degrees on the barrel. 89 degrees on the gas block. What we're shooting today is my Palmetto State upper and lower with a stainless steel barrel 1 7 twist. It's one of their Freedom barrels. Midwest Industries rail, Trichicon Acog sight with the Bible verse, and some Magpul furniture. Alright, let's move on to the next series. Let's check the temperature. Barrel first. 59 degrees on the barrel. 79 degrees on the gas block. I think that's pretty close. Next up, PMC XTAC 62 grain green tips, 5 rounds. All right, 5 rounds. Let's see what we get. Alright, that was our final series. We'll go ahead and go down range, see what we got. Let's check temperature real quick. Barrel is 73, gas block is 84. Alright, so I think winter's trying to make a comeback up here in Pennsylvania. A little chilly today. We had some snow yesterday, but like any good firearms enthusiast, that's not going to keep you from the range. Let's check our results here. We started with the bottom target and worked our way up. So this first group right here is our ZQI 62 grain green tips, followed by our Federal 223 55 grain, which would be this group right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would be followed by our Federal 5.56, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little bit of a flyer, a little looser group there. And then that would be followed by our PMC XTAC 62 grain green tips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think we put one through one of the same holes. So I would have to say, based off of these initial results, it looks like it's a toss-up between the ZQI and the PMC as far as the tightest group. I do see a pattern of to the right and low, so maybe I'll make an adjustment to the scope and we'll shoot another series. Alright, I made a slight adjustment to the Acog. Let's shoot another series of 5 and see if they group the same or see if there's a difference. So we will start once again with the ZQI Turkish ammo. 3, 4, and 5. Let's see what the temperature is of the barrel. I'm sure it's 57 degrees on the barrel. 61 degrees on the gas block. We'll double check. It doesn't seem right, but let's see what we come up with. 70 degrees on the gas block. So we'll roll with that. 57 to 70 degrees. Check our temps one last time. .52 degrees on the barrel. .84 degrees on the gas block. 65 degrees on the barrel. All right. Let's go check our results out. All right, here we are. Everything's grouped up. We'll start off with ZQI 556 Turkish ammo. Looks like we have a fairly consistent grouping here. Followed by the Federal 223. Opened up a little bit, but I think that's fairly consistent. Followed by the Federal 556, which the first group is here, with the adjustment of the sight, second group there, so it's not too bad. Followed by the PMC XTAC South Korean ammunition. First group of 5 here, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. So, second grouping, very nice and tight. Second grouping here, very nice and tight. Second grouping here, low but tight. Second grouping here, low but tight. And then both groups, very little movement, very consistent grouping. So based off of the second set of shots of 5, with this sight adjustment, I would have to say it's a toss-up between the Federal 556 and the PMC XTAC. So, just a little test today, a little fun at the range. This is what I use when I go to the range, so it's good to know what kind of accuracy I'm dealing with. Well, again, good time at the range. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until we meet again, it's Toe 2 Bravo.